Hi guys, my name is Parker and I'm going to be taking over the YouTube channel today. Today we're going to be making a rainbow leopard print tumbler, and I hope it's so much fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So first we're going to get some tape, and then we're going to wrap it around the cup so that way there is kind of, I don't know, so that way it's just kind of looks good. We're going to wrap it around like that. Just be careful not to mess up or make it wrinkled. And then we're going to get some more tape. And then we're going to put it on the other side like that. I'm going to wrap it around like that. And then boom. So then after that, we're going to get some green, almost kind of like slightly, wait, oh no, we're gonna put over this tape right there over those two tapes. Then we're gonna get some skinny tape and then put it right there so that we don't mess up. And we put, oh, I'm tired. And then we're gonna put it, just don't make sure it overlaps over the green tape, the skinny green tape. So then we're going to do that over and 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 over again. And we're just going to leave that spot out. Never mind. Wait, maybe we're not. Okay, never mind. So then I'm just going to get some black, and then we're going to squiggle right over over it. Be careful to go nice and slow, not to rush or mess up. And do not, just make sure to pay attention and not look away so that we don't mess up. Because I usually do. That happens to me. And then we're going to do that, the same thing on the other side. We're going to just make sure to keep your eyes on the paper, little Sharpie or marker. And then you're gonna scrape, we're gonna follow that line, that squiggle, and then we're gonna rip off that tape. Just make sure not to rip it too fast or it will mess it up. You don't want a messy cup. If you messed up a little bit, it's okay. Just go back. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Like this. Go slow. Okay. Do not mess up. And then we're gonna add some glue until they're gonna blend that in. Like this. Maybe add some more glue just in case if you messed up or you need more glue. And we're gonna blend that. And then we're gonna add some pink onto right there. Just make sure to, and then we're gonna do some orange on the to make it rainbow. And we're gonna add some yellow, like that, kind of like a yellowish greenish. And then we're gonna add some green, almost like blue a little bit. And then the blue. Okay, and then we're gonna add some purple. Okay, like that. And then we're gonna add some glue on the other side and blend that in. Don't worry to get it on the tape, because we're just gonna rip that off later. So then we're gonna add some purple, like this and this. And then we're gonna add some blue. And then some green, like this. Boom. Yep, like that. And then some yellow. And after the yellow, we're gonna do the orange. like that. And then after the orange, we're gonna do the pink. It's kind of like a reddish pink. Okay, then we're gonna just put the rest of the paint on the bottom of the cup to make it look super sparkly. And then boom. And then and we're gonna scrape off the tape and then put rainbow glitter back onto there, some rainbow glitter onto it, and then we're just gonna kind of like do that. And right after that, we're gonna when it's done. Okay. Oh, it's not done yet. And boom. Okay. Now we're gonna add some glue dots. Like that. Just be careful not to make the dots too long or anything like that, so that way it doesn't look like a little bit messy. Then we're gonna add some blue glitter right over those glue dots. Oh wait, no, purple glitter. Okay, like that. And then after that, we're gonna put some more glue dots on there, right, like that. Boom, 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 boom. And then we're gonna add some blue glitter over the glue dots, like this. Be careful not to just like overdo it, because the glue might be still a bit wet for the other glue. Then we're gonna add some more glue dots on the other side, on the bottom, like this. Make sure not to make it look too long, or it kind of look bad. And then we're gonna add some green, like this. Make it look like a rainbow. You know. And then we're gonna add some more glue dots. We're gonna add some, I think it's yellow. Yes, we're gonna add some yellow after that. If your glue looks kind of like faint, or you can barely see it, just go over it again. So after that, we're gonna put some orange on it, just like that. And we're just gonna add some glue over that part, like kind of for the leopard print, like that, over and over again. Then we're gonna just keep doing that until we're finished. Boom, boom, some glue dots, and then like that. Boom. Just to get that leopard print, you know? Okay. And then we're gonna add some black over that to make it look like leopard. Like that. Make sure not to overdo, so that way you don't spill, or like it can get a little bit messy. And we're gonna just whack it again. And we're going to do that again on the other side, like that. So, and then we're going to add some black glitter, like this. Be careful, just be careful not to overdo, and so, we're going to just kind of brush off some of the glitter that's on there, and get some black paint, and then kind of just draw some lines, so that way there's almost kind of like a mountain or something. And then we're gonna just keep doing that over and over again until we get like a perfect, almost kind of like, so it matches with all the other parts of the cup. So, and then we keep doing that. It might take a while, I'm just gonna keep doing it, and then add some lines and stuff, and then like that, and then again, and again, and then we're gonna add some more lines. It'll almost kind of look almost like a mountain a little bit or something. And then we're gonna keep doing that, like kind of like that V shape almost, right over that thing, over all the other V's. You're just gonna take your time, do not rush or anything, so you don't mess up or go into mess up or like go into the other lines. We're gonna get some more paint and outline all over other parts. Make sure to just go over all the other ones if you missed them. And we're gonna get some black paint and then put some black paint over the. Oh yeah, I meant black glitter over the black paint. And after that, we're just gonna whack it. Okay, we're gonna get some more black glitter. Black paint. And I'm gonna add some more lines. Kind of almost over the whole cup. Okay, and we're gonna keep adding more lines and keep going, and add a V shape, and then just overline all that. Add a line instead of V, and then another kind of slanted V, and kind of just like curve or something. Just be careful to just overline, like go back on the lines so you didn't miss any or anything. And then go put some black glitter over that to get that sparkly stuff. That sparkle. So it makes it look pretty. Just in case to like put some, if you want more details, I would want more details on mine. So I would put some more details on yours if you want to. Or you could do it like a different way if you want to. And then we're going to just whack it again. And whack it again. And we're just going to just look how beautiful that is. Okay, after that, we're just going to get some black paint or paper or something. Whatever that is. And we're just gonna grab a strip and then just kind of just like put it on where like those squiggles were, so that way it isn't just like, I don't know, like mixed up or something, or it gets mixed up. And we're gonna just keep doing that until you get to all the way at the end. Make sure not to mess up and be very careful. Do not rush through it or you might mess up. And then we get some more. And we do that the same on the other side so it looks perfect like the other one. Just take your time and do not rush, so that way what's the word? I don't know. And then we're gonna just keep doing that and over again until we reach the end. And after that, right there, and then boom, got that, and then boom, there's your rainbow leopard print tumbler. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.